Game over. No more hiding as court orders Yahaya Bello to do this immediately over 80 billion naira money laundering allegation. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to ears this morning. As our headline for this morning says here that game over. No more hiding as court orders Yahaya Bello to do this immediately over 80 billion naira money laundering allegation. Well, Mr. Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State, filed two appeals with the Court of Appeal in Abuja, attempting to stop the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission from arraigning him on a 80 billion naira money laundering accusation. The appeal was dismissed. Well, the Federal High Court in Abuja upheld Bello's decision to comply with the Administration of Criminal Justice Act (ACGA) and appeals for arraignment as directed by a three-judge panel made up of Justice H.A. Baka, S.A. Bola, and Ike Amadi. Bello's two appeals were deemed to be without merit by the appellant court, which concluded with the prosecution-led counsel Dr. Kemi Finifero, SAN, in an unanimous ruling led by Justice Amadi. Well, Bello is set to appear before Justice Emeka Nwent on the 9th count of money laundering, reportedly utilizing over 80 billion naira that he took from the Kogi State government coffers, but the EFCC hasn't been able to get him in court since they filed the charges. Well, after going into hiding, Bello skipped the 5 court appearances that were set for his arraignment. Well, on April 13, April 23, and April 27, and also May 10, he did this by primarily filing many applications that contested the EFCC and the court authority to arraign him. Among other things, additionally, he filed appeals contesting the court's directive demanding that he be arraigned. However, Bello's preliminary objection to the charge was deemed unsustainable by the justice. The appeal court dismissed the preliminary objection after considering the case, the appeal for the services of charge, and bundle of proof of evidence of the lead counsel. Well, they reasoned that the issue of service is legal and does not require leave to appeal. With regard to the charge servicing process, the court found that the constitutional requirement that an accused individual be made aware of the charges against him did not define the method of informing the defendant. What is more, Section 379 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act allows service on the defendant or his legal practitioner, Justice Amadi held. The defendant briefed his legal team after learning of the charge. According to the court's perspective, in view of this, the appeal lacks merit and accordingly dismissed. The decision of the lower court directing service on the appellant-led counsel is thus affirmed, the court added. Well, next, in accordance with Section 3962 of the ACGA, the court issued an order prohibiting the appellant from moving towards with the case until he appears in court to be charged. And that is all we have for you concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that game over. No more hiding as court orders Yahaya Bello to do this immediately over 80 billion naira money laundering allegation. Well, you had it for me this morning, and if you're not a subscriber, the best thing and the right thing you can do right now is to tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like on this video to get more updates concerning this particular news in the near future to come. Well, like I said, game over, no more hiding as court orders Yahaya Bello to do this immediately over 80 billion naira money laundering allegation. Yes, we all know what Yahaya Bello did to the state funds of Kogi State. Yeah, to the money in Kogi State, and he has been on the run since EFCC declared him wanted. Like, seriously, he has been on the run. He even resisted arrest when the EFCC tried to arrest him. He resisted arrest, and he has been on the run. And look at, by all, even other African countries are even looking for him in case by any chance they see him there. And now it is now game over. No more hiding as court orders him to come to the court immediately. Well, Yahaya Bello, who is the former governor of Kogi State, filed two appeals with the Court of Appeal on Abuja, attempting to stop the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission from arraigning him on a 80 billion money laundering accusation. He filed an appeal, but his appeal did not work. This appeal were dismissed. Yes, this appeal was dismissed. You cannot tell the EFCC should not come and attack you. Who are you? Who are you that the EFCC cannot arrest on financial crimes? Yes, who are you? You're going to go to jail for what you did. Like, Nigerians are tired of governor and politicians like you in this country. And just I've seen a lot of you, people who just embezzle money for their family and their own pockets. They don't care about the population of the country. They don't care about anybody. They just care about their own family. And the people like this man stealing the whole money of one state, 80 billion naira. Yes, stealing over 80 billion that was meant for Kogi State. Now the state has no funds. Slow development. And if the current governor is not doing enough now, to say that this man is not even doing anything for Kogi State. Meanwhile, this idiot past governor have stolen a lot of money. Yes, this idiot past governor have stolen a lot of money. I just really pray that they catch him, because I'm sure that he's not going to come to court, since he has missed over 5 court hearings, 5 court orders that have ordered him to court. Or was it 5 or 3? He has missed a lot though. Yeah, it was 5 court appearances that were set for his arraignment. He missed all of them. He's in hiding right now because nobody knows his current location. And now the court have ordered him that anywhere you are, better come outside, because if they catch you, believe me, it will be worst. It will be lost. It will be worse. All these 5 court appearances that he made, he did it intentionally. He did it intentionally just to get away with the money. He's trying to run away from Nigeria with the stolen money, but Nigeria's security operative will not. Although there have been rumors that he's in a politician's house in Kogi State. Yeah, there's rumors that I don't want to mention names, but let's not go to that part. But I think that that's where the EFCC will be targeting right now, because he's a wanted man and he needs to appear before the court to prove his innocence. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button as bigger down with the notification bell, so anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.